wrap me up like stormy weather. Threads of you still haunt my skin, fragrance where the past begins. The scent that stays won't let me go. A whispered tale, the fibers know, like a ghost of love that softly clings. The scent that stays, the song it sings. Your sweater's folded on the chair, but it breathes you like you're still there. Lavender and something sweet, a memory tangled, incomplete. Each thread a map to where you've been, a time machine beneath my chin. I breathe you in, I can't escape this lingering scent that time can't erase. The scent that stays won't let me go. A whispered tale, the fibers know, like a ghost of love that softly clings. The scent that stays, the song it sings. Tried to hide it in a drawer, but it calls me back, I can't ignore the echoes of you in every stitch, a love I lost but can't dismiss. A candle flickers soft and shy, its light dances but can't deny. The wind may whisper low and thin, but love still burns deep within. The shadows sway on the old brick wall, a fragile flame, but it won't fall. The breeze can try to dim its glow, yet love persists through every blow. Oh, like a candle in the wind, our love bends but never gives in. gas may drip, the wick may lean, but in its glow there's something keen, a stubborn light that won't let go. Through darkest nights it still will show. The world may howl, the storm may rise, but in your eyes the fire lies. No gale can snuff what we defend. Our love's a flame that will not end. Oh, like a candle in the wind, our love bends but never gives in.